with a 2.5 magnitude earthquake that's 63 kilometers west of Tonopah, Nevada, at 8:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, depth of 3.9 kilometers, followed by 2.6 at 61 kilometers west of Tonopah at 8:31, depth of 6.2 kilometers, 2.8 at 48 kilometers west of Tonopah at 8:31, depth of 12.3 kilometers, and finally a 3.1 at 47 kilometers west-northwest of Tonopah at 8:32, depth of 3.7 kilometers. So if you felt any of these 4 earthquakes, let me know in the comment section below and from where. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.